there, champs. How are you doing? Great. Are you ready to take a trip down memory lane and learn something new in the process? Because today we'll be looking at some lines and angles. We will also be discussing the things you learned last year and what new things have been added this year. Remember how we learned about angles using examples of sports and players? If you love playing football, the direction of the ball is detected by the angle at which you strike the ball to either pass or score a goal. If you love basketball, it's the same principle. You throw the ball from a certain angle to pass and shoot the ball at an angle at which it will end up in the hoop. Everything you see can be placed at an angle. When you jump, your landing is detected by the angle you make with the ground. If the angle is too steep, you will feel the bump. I guarantee that. So what do we know about angles? An angle is formed when two line segments, lines, rays or object meet or intersect at a certain point. The line, rays or object are called the arms of the angle, whereas the meeting point or point of intersection is called the vertex. The way in which the arms of the angle deviate from one another is the angle and is denoted by an arc in between the arms. Let's think about the sports we play. A footballer's leg, for example, is one of the arms of the angle. A line to the goal is the path the ball must make in order to score or pass is the other arm and the ball is the vertex. It's similar case in the terms of badminton. In order to smash the shuttle on your opponent's court, you strike the shuttle with the racket at an angle that is above the net but below the reaching point of your opponent. That being said, players don't carry their geometric boxes to every game. That would be very boring to watch. However, if we do not want to measure angles, we can use tools like the protractor or the set square. Let's start with the protractor. What is it and how do we use it? A protractor is a semicircular tool in your geometry box. It has a total of 180 markings on it. Each of the marking denotes the difference in one angle. The protractor is divided in middle by 90 degree. The right side of the protractor has value less than 90 degree and the left side has values more than 90 degree. The bottom line of the protractor is known as the baseline and the protractor center is known as the center point of the protractor. So with all this thing in mind, how do we measure an angle? What we need to do is use one arm of the angle, preferably a horizontal one, and align it with the baseline of the protractor. Align the vertex of the angle with the center point of the protractor. See which angle does the other arm of the angle lie on or align with. And that's it, the angle is measured. Whatever value the other arm of the angle aligns with is the value of the angle. Remember, you can take any line as the baseline. But we all know that, right? We studied that last year after all. So what new things do we learn this year about angles? Well, for starter, we are going to learn about the angles and their bisectors. If you have to draw two lines, one of which is exactly double the other, how will you do this? If you have your compass handy, it can be a snitch. Let's draw a line segment BC. Taking B as a center point, draw an arc using the compass that intersects the line AB at point P. Taking the same arc and using point P as a center point, intersect the previous arc made when B was the center. Connect point B and the intersection of the arc. There you have your 60-degree angle ABC. Now, if you have to bisect the angle and make it two equal parts, then all you have to do is take B as a center point and make an arc intersecting AB and BC at points Y and Z respectively. Taking points Y and Z as center point, draw two arcs that intersect one another at point D. Connect B and D, angle ABD and angle DBC, and that's how you bisect an angle. Keep practicing on the angles and their bisection. I'll see you next time with ways of constructing other angles. Until then, see you. Bye.